Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the FC26 error stating that ReWASD or DiscSoftLTD Daemon Tools cannot be used at the same time as the game. This error occurs because EA Sports FC26 detects software that may interfere with the game's anti-cheat system. Follow these steps carefully to remove the conflict and get the game running again. Let's get started. First, look at the bottom right corner of your taskbar. Click the Show Hidden Icons arrow. If you see ReWASD running, right-click it and select Exit. Click Yes to confirm. If you also have Daemon Tools running, right-click it and select Exit. If you don't have Daemon Tools installed, simply skip this step. Now try launching FC26 again. If the error still appears, continue with the next solution. Solution 2. Right-click the Start menu and select Task Manager. Look for any processes related to Daemon Tools. DiscSoft Bus Service Light, ReWASD. If you find any of them running, right-click each process and select End Task. Once all related processes have been closed, try launching the game again. Solution 3. Right-click the Start menu and select Device Manager. Expand Storage Controllers. If you see any device related to Daemon Tools, right-click it and select Disable Device. Next, expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers. If you find any Daemon Tools entries there, right-click them and select Disable Device. Close Device Manager and test the game again. If the issue persists, you'll need to completely uninstall ReWASD. Open the Start menu and search for ReWASD. Right-click it and select Uninstall in the Installed Apps window. Click the three dots next to ReWASD and select Uninstall. When prompted, check Remove My Settings. Remove Configs and Profiles. Then click Uninstall. Wait for the removal process to complete. Once finished, restart your PC. Restarting your computer is required. If you have Daemon Tools installed, uninstall it as well. Open the Start menu and search for Daemon Tools. Right-click it and select Uninstall. Click Uninstall again. If prompted, click Yes. Wait for the process to finish. Once the uninstallation is complete, restart your PC. Again, restarting your system is mandatory after removing Daemon Tools. After your computer restarts, launch EA Sports FC26 again. The game should now start normally without showing the ReWASD or DiscSoftLTD Daemon Tools software conflict error.